Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hard reset the Oppo A16. And as you can see, the phone is right now locked with a screen lock or a passcode. So you just have to turn off the device. Hold the power key. When the menu appears, just power off the phone. And after that, we have to put the phone in recovery mode. So hold the power button and the volume down key together. Keep holding them for at least 10 seconds. Just leave the power button after a few seconds, but keep holding the volume down till you're in recovery mode. So there you can select the language, and the phone right now is in recovery mode. And guys, from here you can just format or restore your phone. To restore your device, you have to enter this verification code here, and after you will enter this, your phone will be reset. So guys, this is how you can reset or enter recovery mode in Oppo A16. Thanks for watching. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.